Do you want an amazing dance weekend you won't soon forget? Are you tired of the same old events where all you see is the boring inside of a hotel ballroom? That's why I'm excited to present to you Dance Mardi Gras. Hey, my name is Brian B. and I'm honored to be the captain of Dance Mardi Gras. Get ready for some killer social dancing, amazing workshops, and the premier destination for UCWDC and WSDC competitors. But there's two things that make Dance Mardi Gras unique. Number one, we're only steps from the French Quarter and Bourbon Street in the heart of New Orleans. Number two, even if you don't leave the hotel, we're gonna bring Mardi Gras to you with our incredible Mardi Gras parade and festivities. To get access to all the workshops, social dancing competitions, and our famous Mardi Gras parade and dinner show, make sure to grab the VIP pass. I guarantee you'll have an amazing weekend. Don't believe me? If Mardi Gras doesn't live up to its promise, I'll personally make sure you get a full refund. That's how confident I am that you're gonna have an incredible experience. Now that you know what Mardi Gras is all about and you have our personal promise of an outstanding dance weekend, you know what to do. Make sure to get your hotel room because we will sell out. And if you want to save a few bucks, make sure to register for the early bird pricing. Let the good times roll and we'll see you in New Orleans.